guys, look at this. This restaurant's like crazy, man. You don't see restaurants like this no more. Guys, she's crying. It's so good. Guys, we're right here in Amish country in Sarasota, and we're eating today. Oh boy. Yeah, this place is packed, guys. Let's go get seated. Guys, today we're in Sarasota, Florida in Amish country, and we're gonna show you like an Amish themed restaurant called Yoder's.
Very simple cooking.
Yep, come on, let's go. Alrighty guys, we're in Sarasota right now. We're here, Yoder's. Let's go. Yeah, here's the carry out, okay? Right here in Pinecraft. Family owned since 1975, guys. Alright, and look over here, open daily, Monday through Saturday, guys. Let's go follow her and see what she's doing over here. Right now, we're just gonna go wait in line. Yeah, there's just this huge line, man. It's crazy. Yeah. Waiting in this line. Yeah.
Yeah, what's going on?
Yeah, homemade pie.
Check the score. I put it on the recorded on the side.
Yeah, guys, check this out. They got some books here. Pretty cool. Alright. See over here. Pretty cool, guys. Yeah, here's what, the seats look like. Here's what the vibe looks like. You gotta wait, They got pies here. Alright, they got a to-go. Here's where you go out here. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. Waiting to get seated. Look at this. They have like the history.
Strawberry bread is good.
Yeah, guys, check this out. Pretty cool. Yeah, so this is where you just wait to get seated. We got all this here. It's pretty cool, man. We're just waiting. Yeah, guys, we're just waiting to get seated right now. And yeah, thank you. Yep. Here's where we're sitting. Yeah, here's what the menu looks like, guys, if you've never been. All right. Yoder's, 50 years. Yeah, guys, they got specials Monday, Tuesday. Okay, today's Saturday. Alrighty, guys, here's the meat. I got the barbecue pork with the mac and cheese. We got a breast because they're known for their chicken, and real turkey.
Real turkey.
Real turkey, guys. Yeah, so we're gonna let you know how this is in the car, guys.
Real turkey.
Alrighty, guys, we'll let you know. Yeah, guys, so this was the vibe of everything, and yeah. Guys, 10 out of 10. What did you think, Ma?
Oh, it was very
Grab the
good.
receipt.
Very good.
Yeah, it was 71 bucks, right? And yeah, everything was great.
That included the tip.
Yep, that included the tip.
And the food was great.
Yeah, 10 out of 10, guys.
Yeah.
Chrissy was our waiter, great waitress.
Yeah.
And yeah, guys, you definitely got to come here at least once in your life. Yeah. How was your pie?
Oh, delicious.
Coleslaw was great.
If I wasn't on a diet, I'd buy a pie.
Yeah, the coleslaw was 10 out of 10.
The coleslaw was real good, and the turkey was real.
Yeah, guys.
Woo!
10 out of 10. Definitely come here. Thanks for watching. Yeah, guys, and they got a gift shop also. And here's what the parking looked like, just so you know. And they got handicap parking up front. Yep, just so you know.